Processing over 500 tons of waste a day across Ahmedabad, Indore and Pune, Nepra Resource Management commenced its operations in 2011 under the brand name Let's Recycle. Its operations can be classified into 4 categories: collection, segregation, processing and recycling. Nepra collects waste from residential complexes, corporates, industries, municipal corporations and waste pickers, which is then taken to Nepra's Material Recovery Facilities or MRF, where it is sorted and further segregated based on its type. This waste management model integrates all stakeholders, bringing in transparency, structure and traceability.
From the point of waste collection, mapping, waste picker identification and registration, we use facial recognition, we use geolocation mapping, we use a lot of parameters to really ascertain the waste generation patterns, and we optimize our collections and vehicle usage to reduce our kilometer runs. We ensure that there is an audit parameters and audit everything happening at our plant when the waste goes in. We ensure there is a transparency in the transaction happening with the waste pickers and within the organization and the sales. We create hardcore infrastructure for processing of waste, and we ensure that maximum is recycled and minimum is sent to the cement kilns or waste to energy plants for energy recovery, making us a zero waste to landfill company.
While Nepra's environment and economic impact is quite visible, its social impact is immense as well. Through several programs, Nepra has been successful in sensitizing over 10 lakh people about waste management, and over 2,000 bottom of the economic pyramid lives have been positively impacted. A champion of gender equality, 55% of its employees are women.
We are making an impact directly and indirectly to various things. For example, when we are collecting waste from waste pickers and paying them in a fair way, it ensures that they get a better livelihood.
नेप्रा के पहले हम पीढ़े पे माल देने जाते थे, वहाँ हमको वहाँ से भी लाने का भाड़ा देना पड़ता था और यहाँ से भी पीढ़ा पे ले जाने का भी भाड़ा देना पड़ता था। वो पीढ़े पे हम 100-200 का भी बेचते थे, अभी नेप्रो में 300 का भी हो जाता है, 400 का भी हो जाता है, हमको भाव भी सही मिलता है।
हम पहले दुकान पे देते थे, हमको फ़ायदा नहीं मिलता था, इधर देते तो हमको फ़ायदा मिलता है।
In less than a decade, Nepra has successfully contributed towards the transformation of the waste management industry in India and enjoys a turnover of close to 100 crore rupees. The venture generates revenues by making waste marketable. Its distribution channel includes metal, plastic, glass, paper recyclers for recyclable dry waste and cement plants for non-recyclables.
We basically are complete circular economy package for any partner, because we collect the waste from the source either through waste pickers or through our own collection mechanism. We work with segregation of various polymers and products which goes to various recyclers who make papers, different kinds of papers or different kinds of plastics. Those plastics, we are working with various brand partners to experiment and try to bring those plastics back into your packaging requirements. So as an organization, we help you bring traceability and transparency and ensuring a quality raw material and recyclable material into the value chain, while ensuring there is positive impact to the people who are included in the value chain.
Nepra's model is very scalable, claim the founders. By the end of next year, the venture will be equipped to handle 1,060 metric tons of waste per day and aims to be in 25 cities in 5 years. With a mission to drive India towards a zero waste reality, the venture is now looking to adopt new technologies that will further help make the sector efficient and the future clean.